Hello, and welcome back to episode 3 for Be Beautiful Jewelry Resin Jewelry Tutorials. Today is a simple short, under 10 minutes, and I'll be showing you how to make pretty purple earrings with a gold touch called a little royalty. Let's hop into it with what you'll need. Today, you'll be needing, for the piece, UV resin, a UV lamp, pigment or coloring, stir stick or spoon, a fire torch or heat gun, disposable or reusable silicone cup, and your silicone mold. To wear the piece, you'll be needing 2 golden ear hooks, 2 small rings, 2 medium rings, and gold chain. The tools you'll be needing to put the piece together are chain nose pliers and flat nose pliers. So now I'm just measuring out how much chain I'll be needing, just simply by wrapping it around the pieces, and then I just duplicate that length with the next set of chain. And yes, I was out of frame, but I feel like I'm getting a little better. Maybe. You tell me. And there she is. And of course, every girl needs a photo shoot. As always, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I thank you for your time and patience with me as I grow and learn, and I also hope you'll stay with me on this journey. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon. Feel free to share this with family and friends. See you next time, and thanks again for watching.